Did you just watch Gladiator? Do you want to feel like a Roman general? Well, you can with the Entegra Centurion. Let's talk about it. All right, so let's talk about towing, because that's the reason most people buy Super Cs. The 39N Centurion is capable of towing 30,000 pounds, and it does so with this hitch, which gives you a 7-pin plug. And one of the things that makes the Centurion really stand out is that it has a Sikkens full body custom paint. The custom full body paint gives you a deep automotive quality shine. It gives you long-term durability. It gives you a better resale value, and it gives you a premium appearance from every angle. It's a great option to have. All right, here we go. So Freightliner. Probably the best feature the Centurion has is that it's built on the Freightliner Cascadia 116 day cab. And this is considered a premium commercial truck because it's engineered for Class A long-haul trucking. Class A is the largest, heaviest commercial trucks on the road, so it's built to transport freight over long distances, often hundreds or thousands of miles at a time. So it gives you peace of mind knowing that you're going to get where you're going. All right, so let's talk about your driver's seat and your passenger seat. Both are going to have air ride. So let's talk about air ride. So what is air ride? So air ride is one of those features people don't appreciate until you've driven something with it. And what it does is instead of that seat being mounted directly to the floor with just foam cushioning, the seat is actually suspended on an air bladder and a shock absorber system. And what this does is it continuously absorbs bumps and vibration before they reach your body while you're driving. And it does it for both the driver and for the passenger. And here's going to be the highlight that doesn't need much explanation. You're going to have your washer and your dryer inside the unit. Just makes everything super convenient. Here's going to be a highlight you're not going to be able to see, but it's actually built into your shower. The Centurion's going to have what's called the AquaView Shower Miser. Basically, it's a patent water saving and reclamation system designed for RVs and boats. It basically redirects the cold water from your shower and it redirects it back to your fresh water tank instead of going down the drain into your gray water tank. So that saves you a decent amount of water. And as a bonus highlight, let's talk about the safety package that comes with the Centurion. So you're going to have something called the Detroit Safety Assurance Package. What that is, it's an integrated suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Think of it like an equivalent of the safety features you would find in a luxury car, but now you're on a Class 8 truck. It uses a combination of radar, cameras, and vehicle sensors to monitor the road, warn the driver of hazards, and in certain situations, it will even apply the brakes automatically to help reduce or avoid a collision. That's what you get with the Centurion, peace of mind.